Hey students, and welcome back to the short summary videos I'll be providing leading up to your exams. This video will be about skeletal muscle, what it is, the structure, how it grows, and also its significance. Let's start off with what is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is one of the three major muscle types and is a form of striated muscle tissue. They are the muscles attached to your bones and carry the purpose of movement and maintaining body posture. They can vary in size, shape, and arrangement, such as the muscles within your ears to the muscles of your thigh. The peripheral portion of the central nervous system control the skeletal muscles, and therefore these muscles are under conscious control. Moving on to the structure of skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles consist of long multinuclear cells. Each skeletal muscle fiber is a single cylindrical muscle cell. A skeletal muscle can be made up of hundreds and thousands of muscle fibers bundled up together and wrapped in connective tissue. This connective tissue sheath is called the epimysium. Fascia, which is connective tissue outside of the epimysium, surround and separate the muscles. Portions of the epimysium project inwards to divide the muscles into compartments. Each compartment contains bundles of muscle fibers. Each bundle of muscle fiber is called a fascicle and is surrounded by connective tissue called the perimysium. Within the fascicles, each muscle cell is surrounded by connective tissue called the endomysium. Skeletal muscles often exist in pairs, where one muscle will be the primary mover and the other one will act as an antagonist. For example, when you bend your arm, your biceps will contract and your triceps will relax, and this is reversed when you extend your arm. Muscles are innervated by motor neurons. A motor neuron and the muscle fibers innervated by it form a motor unit. Size of the motor units depend on the function of the muscle. Fine movements have fewer muscle fibers per neuron to allow for this movement, while muscles that require a lot of strength have much more muscle fibers per unit. Now, how do we build skeletal muscle? Muscles grow through protein synthesis. Proteins break down into amino acids during digestion. These amino acids reassemble in your muscle cells to create new protein used to build new muscle. Exercising and lifting weights triggers the building of muscles by breaking muscle fibers down, creating small micro tears. These tears are then repaired and made stronger. In order to build more muscle, we repeat this process. To build muscle through exercise, we shorten the muscle at work, known as concentric motion, and then we let the muscle lengthen, known as eccentric motion. Sometimes people have genetic disorders that cause muscle dystrophy. Most types of muscle dystrophy arise from a deficiency of protein dystrophin, which is essential for skeletal muscle integrity and function. Without this, skeletal muscles deteriorate and get weaker and weaker. Unfortunately, there is no cure for any form of muscle dystrophy as of now. Medications and physical therapy can help slow the course of the disease. I hope that with technological advances there will be a cure for muscle dystrophy in the future. Thanks for watching this short summary video and good luck for exams.